How to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you ever drafted messages in Messenger and now want to find and remove them or send them to the recipient? If so, you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Note that in Messenger, there is no specific section for storing drafted messages. To locate drafted messages, search for the blue draft text below the user's name in multiple conversations. As you can see, I have 3 conversations with blue draft text containing the message I typed. Similarly, you can also explore your chat section to find the conversations where you have drafted messages. If you are unsure how draft messages are created, be sure to watch my tutorial on how to create draft messages in Messenger. The video link is provided in the card section and description below. Once you have identified a conversation with a drafted message, to remove or send it, select the same conversation where the message is drafted. The drafted message will automatically appear in the message box. Remove the message or send it to the user. For example, let's remove the drafted message. Once removed, tap on the back arrow at the top left corner. Here is one important change to notice. If you delete the drafted message from the message box, the blue draft text will also be removed from the conversation. And boom, you have successfully learned the way to find and remove draft messages in Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.